want you to look around. Everybody in this room got a story. You belong in every classroom, every boardroom, every space you step into. And if the space don't see you yet, then you change that space. That's what we do. That's why we call this the odd future. So welcome to the Rock the School Bells. I said, let's get it.
Live at Rock the School Bells. You already know what time it is. Hip hop culture all day, every day.
I feel like odd future is just going out the norm, being different, being alternative.
I think that odd future means like not knowing what's gonna happen, but just going with the flow.
You know, for me, like it's just like incorporating like everyone, every culture.
Man, to me, what it really means is not really fitting the stereotype.
Span into multiple different branches: breakdancing, DJing, emceeing, and graffiti. I'm trying to do all the elements.
The ingenuity of just this one image tells you the whole birth of hip-hop culture in a very short way.
I took the engaging hip-hop and community solidarity. It was good. Like we made our own verse. We had a collaborative piece where we had to make a verse and a chorus about issues.
Well, yeah, I went to a workshop where it was pretty much a criteria on how you could turn your past stories into art.
It's where a group of people, they get together and traditionally they rap a verse, whether it's freestyle or it's a pre-written.
The big payback is...
Remember what I said, you can tell a story with just pictures.
For you young people that have a chance to change the world.
Meeting people is how you create opportunity.
The reality is that we all have a story somewhere.
It's a culture of solidarity, a harvest of heroic acts, a spirit of collective action. So that's what Biennial means to us.
I think that this event is like unique. It can like help promote like a sensitive community and just get people like around each other.
This whole thing really shows you about the different opportunities and what hip hop it really is about, and it's not just making music. There's really a lot really in hip hop.
I hope hip hop still stays as something that is like a community building. I hope that it continues to evolve.
Today was a cool experience.
The one word that I describe this Rock the School Bells: hyphy.
Inspired.
Great cyphers. Eventful.
Unique.
Dope.
Creative.
Good experience.
Zena Diwala, Lauren Barron, Dante Love, Gordon Urbina Jones, Frisco Baby, Matthew Embry, Rebecca Milano. So I'm super happy to award them the Rock the School Bells Hip Hop Scholarship.